Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. Happiness is not something you postpone for the future. It is something you design for the present. If you don't design your own life plan, chances are you'll fall into someone else's plan. And guess what they have planned for you? Not much. We must all suffer one of 2 things: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret or disappointment. If you are not willing to risk the unusual, you will have to settle for the ordinary. You cannot change the circumstances, the seasons, or the wind, but you can change yourself. The walls we build around us to keep sadness out also keep out the joy. Whatever good things we build end up building us. It is the set of the sails, not the direction of the wind, that determines which way we will go. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines, practiced every day. If you don't like how things are, change it. You're not a tree. Take advantage of every opportunity to practice your communication skills so that when important occasions arise, you will have the gift, the style, the sharpness, the clarity, and the emotions to affect other people. You cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction overnight. Learning is the beginning of wealth. Learning is the beginning of health. Learning is the beginning of spirituality. Searching and learning is where the miracle process all begins. Success is not to be pursued. It is to be attracted by the person you become. Either you run the day or the day runs you. Don't wish it was easier. Wish you were better. Don't wish for less problems. Wish for more skills. Don't wish for less challenge. Wish for more wisdom. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. The greatest gift you can give to somebody is your own personal development. I used to say, if you will take care of me, I will take care of you. Now I say, I will take care of me for you if you will take care of you for me. Time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. Don't let your learning lead to knowledge. Let your learning lead to action. The few who do are the envy of the many who only watch. If you really want to do something, you'll find a way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. Miss a meal if you have to, but don't miss a book. Work harder on yourself than you do on your job. Don't join an easy crowd. You won't grow. Go where the expectations and the demands to perform are high. The ultimate reason for setting goals is to entice you to become the person it takes to achieve them. Effective communication is 20% what you know and 80% how you feel about what you know. Let others lead small lives, but not you. Let others argue over small things, but not you. Let others cry over small hurts, but not you. Let others leave their future in someone else's hands, but not you. Don't wish for a good life, create one. The major value in life is not what you get. The major value in life is what you become. Your philosophy determines whether you will be among the rich or the poor, the happy or the unhappy, the healthy or the unhealthy. Profits are better than wages. Wages make you a living. Profits can make you a fortune. The book you don't read won't help. You must learn how to handle rejection. Rejection is just a detour, not a dead end. Don't just read the easy stuff. You may be entertained by it, but you will not grow from it. The greatest reward in becoming a millionaire is not the amount of money that you earn. It is the kind of person that you have to become a millionaire. Success is steady progress toward one's personal goals. If you really want to do something, you'll find a way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. Be a student, not a follower. Don't just accept everything you hear. Be a student and learn from everyone. The poorest man is not the man without a cent, but the man without a dream. Learn to say no. It will be one of the most important words in your vocabulary. The ultimate tragedy is not death, but life without purpose. Develop a sense of urgency in your life. Every day, stand guard at the door of your mind. Don't set your goals too low. If you don't need much, you won't become much. Character isn't something you were born with and can't change, like your fingerprints. It's something you create within yourself.